The AVAPOW A68 car battery jump starter is an essential tool for your vehicle, offering impressive power with its 6,000 A peak current. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery in your car, truck, motorcycle, or even boat, this powerful jump starter can handle all gas engines and diesel engines up to 12L. It's an ideal solution for those who need reliable power in emergencies. Check the price in the description below. This compact and portable device weighs only 2.8 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. You won't have to worry about it being too bulky or heavy. It also features dual USB quick charge ports, which can rapidly charge your devices such as smartphones, tablets, and cameras. The fast charging capabilities are designed to save you time, giving you more convenience during your travels. The AVAPOW jump starter is designed with safety in mind. Its intelligent jumper clamps offer 8 different safety protections, ensuring safe and secure use. With a clear indicator light on the jumper clamps, it's easy to see if any operating mistakes are made. The built-in ultra-bright LED light has 3 different modes: lighting, flash, and SOS, so you can use it not only to jumpstart your car at night but also in emergencies or rescue situations. It's a great addition to your roadside kit. This car battery jump starter comes with everything you need: smart jumper cables, a USB Type-C charging cable, a cigarette lighter adapter, and a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. The AVAPOW jump starter is also backed by a 24-hour online support team, available to help with any issues or questions you may have. Check the price in the description below.